How to remove payment method from Ulta Beauty. Hello, welcome to our channel. And in this tutorial, I will teach you how to remove payment method from Ulta Beauty. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Ulta Beauty website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here, I'm going to sign in first in my account, of course. And after I sign into my account, I can just go to my profile right here in the top right corner in order to go to my profile settings. And as you can see, this is where you will find your payment method. I can just click manage account and I will be redirected to this page. And as I scroll down to the page, I will see the payment methods, and apparently I don't have one. But as you can see, even if you have payment methods, there is no actually a option to delete them. So they remove it on their updates, your in their latest updates, whether on the website and on their apps. They remove the delete options on the payment method. So the only way to remove it is by requesting the Ulta Beauty customer service. So you just need to contact them. As you can see, you can just scroll down and you will find the contact us button right here, and just click them and you will be redirected to this page where they will show you a bunch of numbers or a bunch of emails that you can use to contact them. So you can call them directly on the phone, or you can text them using the number that they present. And you can also chat with a specialist to, address your problem. And upon calling them, you can just ask how to remove the payment method that you added and follow their instruction on how to do it. And yeah, you will probably delete your payment method. And yeah, that's it. That's the only way you can do it. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.